I started learning Welsh in September 2022 at the course mynediad, so right at the very beginning of the chapters of learning Welsh through the mynediad course. My tutors, Mela and Ellen, have been absolutely phenomenal with me during the process of me learning Welsh. They've kind of gone really above and beyond and really helped not just me but other members of my class to really get to grips with the language. It's not easy learning something new. It also comes with lots of blocks on confidence and, you know, trying to find yourself, trying to find out something new about yourself, and they've really helped me find who I am and kind of my position within the Welsh language and my learning with it. So I'm ever so grateful for them. And it's kind of gone above and beyond what I could have ever have expected. You know, unfortunately, my small business that I ran went out of business last year, and I was looking for work, and you know, I applied to a job within the Welsh language on a whim, thinking like, well, I'm learning Welsh at the minute, but I don't know if I could work in a Welsh workplace. I don't really have the confidence to be, you know, speaking Welsh 5 days a week, 8 hours a day with members of Welsh-speaking communities. Is this really a job for me? But, you know, my tutors, they empowered me to go for it. They told me to go for it. And as a result of that, you know, I got invited to my first ever interview in full Welsh. It was the most I'd ever spoken Welsh for, you know, I did an hour and a half of full Welsh, which is like, was unheard of for me at the time, you know, because we do like breakout sessions and all the bits of learning and stuff. And yeah, as a result of that, then they chose me to be the new community development officer for Minty, iaith Casnewydd. And, you know, without my tutors, I would never have got there. And now I'm kind of in a situation where I'm a learner. I'm learning intermediate course canolradd. I'm, you know, just finishing up Sylfaen, about to sit my Sylfaen exam in June. And I'm just in this space where I'm just really grateful, full of gratitude, certainly, and just wanting to inspire other people who are learning Welsh to be like, you can be a learner and you can apply for a job in the Welsh language workplace. I've done it. If I can do it, absolutely anybody can do it. And so I want to be able to give that inspiration out to other people now who may be considering finding a job in the Welsh language.